Hello everyone, welcome to MuleSoft Training by Unogeeks. In this video, we'll see how to install and set up an ActiveMQ JMS. And we're going to see how to set it up on the machine in this video. And we'll see how to use the MQ that is up and running on the local machine to exchange messages between the applications in the next few videos. So we'll set up ActiveMQ. We'll install and set it up in this one. And we're going to use this use what we're going to set up in this video in the next few videos to exchange messages between the applications. Okay, so to start off with, what exactly is MQ? It is a flexible and a powerful open source multi-protocol messaging service. So it's quite famous. So it's a flexible, powerful open source multi-protocol messaging service. So what it means is, or to explain it in a layman terminology, you could publish a message to the ActiveMQ. So after we install and set this up, you can create a queue or a topic and you can publish a message to it from one application, and you can pick up that message, or you can pick up that message from a different application. So it's quite common that applications have to talk to each other, and there are plenty of other ways in which applications could talk to each other. And this is again one more option that you could use to exchange messages between applications. Okay, and how do you set it up? First thing you need to do is you need to have this ActiveMQ installed, and it should be up and running on the machine that you're working on. Yeah, probably to get our hands dirty, you will be working with a local ActiveMQ, but in real time you might be pushing it to an ActiveMQ running at some other server or running on some other server. But it doesn't matter, the approach is going to remain same. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download the ActiveMQ Classic version. So you click on download latest, that will take you to the download page. And if you're probably wondering, if you're probably using a Windows operating system, you download the zip file. So you click on it and a zip file gets downloaded. Okay, the download should get initiated soon. And once the download is completed, you will see this zip file getting, you will see this probably in the downloads folder. All you need to do is unzip it. So do a right click and extract all, and that will create this folder. And in that folder, you will have a folder with the same name. And in that folder, you will have a bin. Okay, and in the bin, you have the batch commands that you can execute. And all I want to do is I want to install this ActiveMQ messaging service on my machine now. So what I need to do to install it is, all I have to do is open a command prompt. Go to this path where I have that ActiveMQ command that I can execute. I should have probably prefixed CD before this. Yeah, change the folder. And all you want to do is say ActiveMQ start. So just issue a pretty simple command, ActiveMQ start, and this should start the ActiveMQ successfully. And once it comes up, you will see the path where you can see the web console. So this ActiveMQ web console can be viewed at this location. Okay, so this is a sort of a console view that you get. Okay, I don't want to terminate it. I'll just say again. Okay. Let me execute the command one more time, ActiveMQ start. And once it comes up, you can view the console on this particular path. Okay, the local host. Yeah, the local host or 127.0.0.1. On port 8161, you will have a web console of ActiveMQ. So you can access it by pasting that link in the URL. And it'll ask you to enter the username and password. The default username and password that ActiveMQ comes with is admin and admin. So you can stick to it and sign in. And when you sign in, you get to see a web page, and you can manage your ActiveMQ broker from here. So this is an ActiveMQ console for the ActiveMQ that is running on the machine. And you can see that you've got two options to publish a message and consume them. So you can publish a message to queue in case there is a one-to-one relationship between a publisher and a consumer. So in case you want to publish a message from a publisher, and in case there is only one consumer for that, in such scenarios you will use a queue to publish a message from publisher, and that will be picked up by a subscriber. So if it's a one-to-one publisher subscriber mechanism that all you need, then you will use a queues to achieve that. But if you want to publish a message and which needs to be circulated to quite a few subscribers, or if it's a one-to-many relationship that you're looking for, then you will probably use a topic to achieve it. So the queue and topic are two different options you have when it comes to publishing and subscribing two messages from ActiveMQ. And it works pretty much the same way it works in any other JMS system. So if it's a queue, it will be one-to-one. If it's a topic, it's one-to-many. Okay. And yeah, we have this ActiveMQ up and running on the machine now. And in the next video, we'll see how to publish a message to the queue and the ActiveMQ here that is running. Okay, so let's delete this and keep it blank. We don't have any queues at the moment, and we don't have any topics. Okay, so we're going to create a queue in here from a Java from a Mule application, and we're going to publish a message with the help of a publish operation. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. In case you're interested in MuleSoft training offered by Unogeeks, please call us on this number or send a WhatsApp message. Thank you.